So I'm Atharv Verma from Delhi. I secured 96.8% in class 10th examinations and I had opted for commerce and mathematics. And after a lot of hard work, I was able to get 99% in class 12th examinations. And so I applied for various entrance examinations and I had cracked Symbiosis Pune, Narsi Munji. Obviously, I have converted IIM Rohtak as well. And then the most important one being IIM Indore, in which I was able to secure All India Rank 3. Not recall the exact date, but yes, it would have been 2 years back because I had purchased a 2-year long program. So when I started out, I was only in class 11th, and there was a lot of confusion in my mind as to, first of all, which colleges I should apply for, and secondly, how I should go about preparing for those examinations, because it is very different from your usual CBSE board examinations. And so there's endless material on the web, there are endless videos on the web, so there was a lot of confusion. And then I remember I took a demo class in IMS and I loved the entire session with the teacher there. So I was taught by Mr. Harmeet sir, by Mr. Amit sir as well. And so they really helped me not just with academics, but also with my personal development. That I was able to clear all those confusion and create a systematic plan for myself, put in the work, and yes, I really put in 100% to this entire journey, and that was thanks to all those teachers. When I actually started out, I used to score very low marks. But one thing I ensured was to not let other low scores on mock tests discourage me from trying even harder the next time. So my teachers will help me to track my progress, to see all the mistakes. And with that, I was able to improve over time. And so I believe that mocks are a very, very crucial part of your journey, because you realize that it's not just the knowledge that you have, but also the strategies that you use in the actual examination. So the questions you choose to attempt, the question you choose to leave, they are just as important as the knowledge aspect of the entire examination. Ma'am, that was the feature I used the most in the entire program. I would constantly book more and more sessions with my mentors. But yes, they were always there available for me to give me any one-on-one session. So the thing they helped me with me was to, first of all, manage my board examinations with the entrance exams. So they would help me to curate my own study plan for day-to-day operations. And then yes, apart from that, they would help me to track my progress and see my weaknesses. And they would also push me further. So like I used to score around 180 marks on average in the mock test. And my teachers would tell me that no, you have to go further, you have to push more, you have the capability to do it. So that was where the entire motivation aspect of it as well. So ma'am, one thing which kept me going was where I always used to watch a lot of campus videos, and I really like the entire campus of IIM Indore. So in fact, in my study room, I pasted a photo of IIM Indore, which I would look at every day. So slowly it became a huge dream of mine to go there. And yes, that dream has come true right now. So, and apart from that, one advice I would like to give is to ensure that you're not confused, that you are talking with your mentors if you feel that there's any confusion in your mind, or you feel that you are straying away from a systematic path. So that is one thing, that if you feel like you're confused, then go and talk to your friends or go and talk to your mentors, and that will be really helpful. There are a lot of reasons, but yes, I would keep it short. So one thing is that the faculty is very, very supportive. I remember that when the results came out, then the first call that came to me was from my teachers. And so that tells you how supportive they have been with me throughout the entire journey, always there to motivate me, to encourage me to push harder. Apart from that, I also really like the material. So like, as I said, that there is a lot of material on the web and that can get you confused. But now if you have the physical books, if you have the online material, and you have faith in those material, and you have faith in the process, then it will be very beneficial for you. And I also like the mocks of IMS. Most of them were quite difficult compared to the actual examination. So I was prepared for the worst when I went into the exam center.